Hey guys, this is Jaffry Ward, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. We're talking about 5 apps that pay PayPal cash. I'm actually going to be showing you proof of it and actually showing you some ways that you can actually earn some extra money, by referring people to these apps. And I'm also going to show you that 90% of my traffic that I drive to these apps and get referrals from are actually from Pinterest and Twitter. I hear a whole lot of the comments of saying things like you're getting all of your referrals from YouTube, or you're not getting, you're not being honest about how you promote. And I'm actually going to put all of that to rest, and I'm actually going to show you inside my Pinterest, show you the pins that I've went completely viral that's constantly driving me traffic and income. And we're going to put all of that to bed because I hear the haters, I hear different people saying different things. So we're going to put all that to rest today in this video. So Pay is the first first app. Pay is a cashback app that allows you to earn money when you link a card. The basic thing is you basically link that card, you go out and use your card like you would normally do in different type of stores, and you earn money when you use your card at one of those stores. So the card that you link to Pay, it could be the same card that you're going to link to these other apps, so I'm going to explain that in a minute. But once you link that card to Pay, it is automatically in there. And actually, when you go out to Chick-fil-A or some other place, and I'll actually just show it to you in the app so you can see what it looks like. When you go to these places like Chick-fil-A, Taco Bell, things of that nature, you're actually going to get cash back directly into your wallet, and then transfer that wallet directly to your PayPal account. The money in your wallet. So I'll show it to you right here. So 100 points equals $1. So once you earn over $25, you can, $15, excuse me, I'm thinking about Dosh. But once you earn over $15, you can actually take that money and withdraw it directly to your PayPal. I'm actually going to show you some PayPal proof of this actually in action. So let me just show you the actual how the cashback looks. If you can see that, I don't know if it's on the screen a little bit. Let me give it a time to focus. You can see I got cash back from Burger King. So and they have a whole lot of other places in here, and I just it's a whole lot more than what you get with other cashback apps. You can also refer people, so you can, as opposed to saving some money, which is great, you can also earn some money. So you can refer people and earn around $5 once you refer a friend that links a card. And that's how I make the majority of my money with this app. I use social media to promote this app, and since people need ways to save money, they can actually use this app, and I give them a way to do it, and actually give them a way to refer people, so people feel more comfortable with me and going through my links instead of going through other people's links, because I actually show how I promote the app in order for you guys to make money as well. I've taught several people, not just several people, a lot of people at this point. Several people have contacted me and told me that I've personally helped them make over $500 to $1,000 in a month actually doing this. This is not some get rich quick scheme, but these apps can actually help you make a whole lot of money if you put in the work. So some proof of Pay. So here goes some Dosh, and we'll talk about that real quick. But Pay, and we'll put in PayPal. So today at 2:37 p.m. you can see that I withdraw $25.39 directly to my PayPal, and that's actual proof, so that this does work. So there will be a link to all of these apps in the description below, including Pay, and also with those links you either have referral codes that actually help you with a $5 bonus when you go through my link and when you use my code. So all of these, like I said, all these links will be in the description below, and when you use the code associated with it or go through the link, you're actually going to get a bonus when you link your first card. And this is just a way for you, this is just a way to say it for Pay to say thank you to me for referring you to this app or telling you about this app. And it's also a way for you to get a quick little bonus to start your money making journey with the app. So it's a win-win situation. We'll talk more about that after we talk about Dosh. Dosh is basically the same thing. The same card that you link to Pay, you can link to Dosh, and the same card that you link to Dosh, you can link to Hooch, which are all basically the same apps. You earn money back linking a card, and once you go shopping and travel and all the good other stuff like that, you can earn a percentage of that back, and you can turn your money into a gift card, or either you can turn your money into cash. You can transfer it to your bank account or your PayPal. Same thing with all of these apps. Each of these apps pays you $5 to refer a friend. people need these three apps on their phone to earn unlimited cash back, because not only are they going to be earning cash back on their card, because some cards have cash back based on how much you spend, but also you can earn money with the Dash app, the Pay app, and the Hoosh app. So those are three apps that you're going to be earning cash back with if they're all in the same app. So a prime example, Pay has one local restaurant that is in my area that's currently on Pay, and Dash has that same restaurant on there, and so I think the Pay gives you 2%, and then Dash gives you like 2 or 3%, I forget. But not only am I going to be earning 2% on Pay, I'm also going to be earning 2% on Dash. And if that same restaurant is on Hooch, I earn another 2%. So let's just say all of these have 2% cash back. I have the same card link to all three of them. That's 6% of my money back. That's a way higher percentage on different apps. So all of these apps need to be in your repertoire. All of these apps, like I said, links will be in the description below. Let me go run through this so I can get to the later part of the video, which is basically showing you that my referrals do come from Pinterest and how you can do the same, copy me and do the same thing that I'm doing and actually earn money. AppFlame, it's a different type of app. This app allows you to download games. The longer you play the games, the more coins you collect. The more coins you collect, the more you can turn those coins into prizes. So here are some of the things you can do. You can get a PayPal payout, an Amazon payout, a Google Play Store payout. 1Q is the fifth app, which allows you to answer questions. You also get paid 25 cents per referral. So if I type in 1Q, you can actually see that I've actually got a whole lot of 25-cent payments from referring people to 1Q, and all people do is just come in here and they answer questions. The money goes directly to their PayPal. You don't have to wait. It's transferred directly with the mass payment system, so it's going to be in your PayPal account really soon. And all of these apps pay really quickly, so you don't have to worry about that. I've all tested these apps. I've all been paid out with these apps, so they do pay. You're not going to worry about your money. And they also have over 4-star review. This has 4-star. This has if I go to the app, it has over 4 stars. It has over 4 stars, and you can see this one has over 4 stars, this one has over 4 stars, and this one has over 4 stars. So all of these apps are very reputable and have good reviews, so you definitely have those great apps in order to use and promote and refer people to. So let me go ahead and disprove this theory that all of my supposed referrals come from here. No, 90% of my referrals come from Pinterest, and I'm actually going to break it down to you and actually show you proof. So this is called Tailwind. Let me explain what this is. Tailwind is basically a publisher for Pinterest. Tailwind gives you the opportunity to schedule your posts and repins so they can automatically post to your Pinterest. So with Tailwind, they have a thing called tribes, where people share valuable content with other people that are in the same niche, and that person can actually repin that content. That person that's interested in that type of content can go in there and see your content and actually think it's great, and then repin that to their actual profile, giving your pin more reach, more views, more people to see it, and actually can go viral doing that. So since I've explained it, let me go ahead and go to the tribe so I can actually show it to you in live proof and actually show you that I'm actually doing what I say I'm doing as far as referring people to these apps. So if I go over here to this, I'm not actually in this one, I'm in this one right here. If I go over to the lifestyle blog, this Pinterest tribe has over, trying to see how many people are in here. Has over 258 members. It has over 4,000 reshares, and it has over 1.1 thousand repins. And you can see what this explains is it shows how many people have repinned this content. So this person put a Pinterest post in here about becoming a body boss, a comprehensive method work or whatever. It has 200 repins, and so you can tell this is viral content because first of all, it's posted in here, and also people that are interested in putting this content on their profile, they can add that to their queue, and it'll actually be reposted to their Pinterest profile. Same thing here with this new one right here, how to set your goals if it makes you anxious. So this is very valuable content as well. When people go repin this, you see how it's 519 repins, is actually sharing her picture, her pin, and is actually sharing it with their users, the people that are following them, and it's also creating a viral traffic source for their actual website. So these are the websites, they're driving traffic to these websites. So now that we have that explained, let me go to mine. These are the Pinterest pins that I've put in here. This one, let me close this all out so you can actually see that this one I posted last night. This is actually promote and pay. So it already has 12 shares on Facebook, which means somebody took my link and actually posted it on Facebook. So if I go over here and I just show it to you guys, you can see I posted that Pinterest link in here, and when somebody hits share, that means that person actually shared that Pinterest pin on Facebook. And if I click it, I don't know, let me just share it real quick so I can actually show it to you guys. If I click it, it's going to go to my Pinterest pin. And it's actually, and let me delete this because I don't want to share this real quick. Delete this real quick. Okay, so, once it's posted, they're going to go over here to my Pinterest pin, and they're actually going to learn about a new cashback app, which I said is talking about pay. And here is my code. So when people come over here and they click this, they're going to go to the actual pay app, which we just left from, and they're going to download the app. And then they're going to say, okay, here's a code that you can use. So they go and use my code, and they're going to get a $5 bonus when they lick a card. I explained that in the actual picture, and it's not actually a viral picture. It's not a cute picture, but it's probably going to go viral because I said it's better than Dosh, and it actually is, in my opinion. So when people actually come in here and get this code and actually download Pay, and they insert that code into Pay, I'm actually going to get a referral commission for referring them to the app, even though I only posted on Pinterest. So that's one. So let me go and show you my 2 viral pins that are driving me the most traffic, and let me just pull it up real quick and actually disprove this whole theory that all of my traffic comes from YouTube, which is not true. This is a pin that went completely viral. This is when I was talking about Dosh, and this is where pretty much all my Dosh referrals come from. You can see it's been shared 17,000 times on Facebook. It was an original pin that I posted on Pinterest. I added hashtags and have it go viral, and I actually put Dosh gives you your own referral link inside of Dosh, so you can just copy that, and this is actually my referral link. So this referral link has been shared over 17,000 times, which means it's been in front of 17,000 people and counting, continuously counting. Every day it goes up. It's been repinned 503 times on Pinterest alone, but people have actually taken this link to this pin and actually shared it on their Facebook profile. And like I just showed you, when those people come from their Facebook profile and go over to Pinterest to look at the pin, which is this pin right here, and actually click on the image or click this little button right here, they're going to go to Dosh through my link, and I'm going to get $5 when they link a card. So let me just disprove all this stuff, and this is not my only viral pin in here, and I can actually show you another one that's promoting Dosh as well that has over 17,000 repin and shares. So let me just find it. But this is the first one, and all I did was I said how to get cash back on everyday purchase using this one app. I showed my name right here, and I actually showed the cashback that I got, and I actually showed that I got cash back from Papa John's. Matter of fact, if you guys remember on this video, I don't remember the exact video, but it's actually on my YouTube channel. I actually created this pin right in front of you guys and actually posted it on Pinterest. I just remember that. So to all the people that says, that all your referrals are coming from YouTube, all that different stuff like that, that's how you making money. I can stop doing YouTube videos right now and constantly get traffic to my Dosh referral link through this Pinterest pin. So let's go ahead and cut all the BS. And I really want to say the word, but let's go ahead and cut all the BS, because I actually do this. I actually know how to market online with or without YouTube. So let's get real with ourselves. But anyway, this pin, I actually created this in front of you, and some of you guys who've been a long time followers will actually remember this. So it has got, since I did that video, we're now a couple of months later, this has got over 17,000 shares. So that means my link has been shared 17,000 times, and I've gotten a countless amount of referrals just from this one pin. This is another one that has, you know, kind of went viral. But let me show you the other one that is also over 17,000. So this one has 17,784, and this one up here has 17,784. So this is going to the same link. This is going to the same link. This is why this pin has went viral. So I did a video actually explaining this. So you can see this is the same thing, but this has a little bit lesser shares on Pinterest, but it has the same amount of repins. So what happens is I have the same link in here. So both of these are basically identical pins to Pinterest. So what that means, even though they're different in content, because this is an actual video, that I put on YouTube, and I actually uploaded it directly to Pinterest and actually did a caption. So I was talking about free PayPal money, and it has the same link that's going to my referral link. So when people go through this referral link, in which I teach them in this video how to earn money with the app using Pinterest, by the way, when they actually go through this link and sign up, they actually become a part of my referral team, and I actually earn $5 when they link a card. Same thing with this app. This is a totally different pin. 512 reshares on what is this, on Facebook, and this is actually going to a YouTube video as well. So you can use this for YouTube as well. And if we keep going down, you can see multiple pins, but these two are the viral ones. Both of them are going to the same link. So every time somebody repins this, and every time that person goes and click on this image on this actual Pinterest pin, they're going to go directly to Dosh, and they're actually going to sign up through me, and I'm actually going to get referral credit. So those are two viral pins, not including this one and another one. There's a whole bunch of other ones in here that are also getting a lot of repins. This one actually is going to my website. It got over 65 repins on Pinterest. You know, you can see it's going directly to my website. So I really do this. So, you know, let's cut with the BS. Like I said, if I stop doing YouTube videos today, it'll be completely fine. And those are my actual methods. The actual things that I'm teaching you how to use Pinterest and how to make money online with these apps, I'm actually out here doing. And I don't have to share this stuff. And, you know, it really makes me mad because, you know, I'm going to start keeping a lot of stuff to myself. And if you guys don't want me to do that, just come in the description below. Comment in the comment section below and say, don't do that. I want you to continue to share, because I could have kept this all to myself, and I could have actually just been selfish and say, hey, I'm not going to teach you how to get referrals with this app. I'm just going to refer you to the app and just be selfish. But I'm actually teaching you the exact things that I'm doing. And I'm having people coming in the comment section saying, yo, you're only earning money by doing YouTube and all that type of stuff, when it's not true. I have several viral, not to mention Instagram, Twitter, and other places that I've also went viral on that have my links in them too, that's directly going to these apps. I really do this. The stuff that I'm telling you to do, I actually do this. People are in Facebook earning a living. So if I go over here to Facebook, this person says buy, you know, pay in bonus same day to PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. And I just saw this directly up here. She posted this 59 minutes ago. She already has 32 comments of people wanting info. All she have to do is send those people her link to those to whatever she's promoting. She's going to earn a commission or referrals or whatever. She's promoting in this Facebook group called Advertise Your Business Here. There are multiple groups like this, and people don't want to actually go out there and hustle and do this. And she's out here, and she's actually going to get a whole lot of referrals and a whole lot of interest of people that are actually, you know, interested into making money online, because she posted this in this group. And there's a whole lot of groups and a whole lot of tailwind tribes that are, and a whole lot of Pinterest you know, groups that are like this, that you guys are not taking advantage of, and you're not actually putting your link out there, getting it in front of people, and actually trying to make money. You know, it's up to you to do it, but don't ever question what I do and my integrity, because I'm actually out here doing this. That's all I wanted to say. That's all I got for you guys. Normal thing. All the links will be in the description below. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. You know, I just wanted to show you proof. That's all I got for you guys. Peace out. Have a nice day.